I'm not gonna worry. Okay. This next song I wrote is a semi-original to the chords to a famous Bob Marley song. It's called Waiting in Vain.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's really famous and I just forgot it. Anyways, this is a love song that I wrote not too long ago. Just to be completely honest and real, I just got out of a relationship, so I'm single. I'm ready to mingle.
Whoa!
I'm sorry. Anyways, the song is called Rewind, and you'll soon learn why. Okay.
Putting it out there.
From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, boy, my heart said follow through. Though I never thought that you would be the one for me, boy, I took a risk on you. I didn't know you, we never talked through. Oh no, but the feelings were so true. But feelings come and go, that's what you always said. And truth is that it came and then it left.
Hey, baby.
Rewind. Remember when you said you loved me? Rewind. Ooh. Remember when you said you cared, you cared, you cared. But actions speak louder than words. And on its own you see the pages finally turn. Rewind, 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 rewind. I say rewind it to the days when you was loving me always, and your actions couldn't be far from the truth. We could have made it all the way, but yet I'm sitting here instead saying rewind and press replay. I said rewind it to the days when you was loving me always, and your actions couldn't be far from the truth. We could have made it all the way, but yet I'm sitting here instead saying rewind and press replay. Hey, rewind, yeah. Remember when you said you loved me? Rewind, ooh. Remember when you said you cared, you cared, you cared. But actions speak louder than words. And on its own you see the pages finally turn. Rewind, rewind.